Welcome to World Side Classic and Sports Car. Today we're pleased to offer a unique opportunity for anyone wanting to buy an Aston Martin DB9 V12 Coupe in a condition as good as new. As good as new is a very difficult term, often used, but in this case it literally is. The car's a one owner vehicle and it's covered 345 miles from new. It still has the original seat cover on the driver's seat. Finished in titanium silver metallic. The car cost almost £125,000 in 2007. Options on the car are these 19-inch diamond cut double 5-spoke wheels, which are in perfect condition, as are the brakes and everything behind there. The car is totally dust free, it's untouched, it's been stored beautifully. You'll see the original tax disc in the car there. The car's only been taxed once, it has not been used, just been traded in against a classic. Okay, so this glorious titanium silver. You'll see the engine's running now, just everywhere around the car. So no paintwork, no rectification. It is a unique opportunity to own a delivery mileage Aston Martin DB9 for a fraction of the new price. Inside the car, you'll see the mileage on there, 345. It's just had a recommissioning service at Aston Engineering in Derby for the tune of £6,600, which is on file. Okay, obviously sat nav, piano black dashboard. The seats, the driver's seat has got the original cover on it. It's got £500 worth of Aston Martin floor mats there. The leather is Obsidian black with silver stitching, also to the dashboard. These DB9s have small seats in the back. And this lovely hand-built car has a 450 brake horsepower 12-cylinder engine. So absolutely immaculate inside and out, complete with all books, 3 sets of keys. That's another part of the £500 mat set. The Aston Martin umbrella, the diamond care cover for the paintwork, the original pump there. Also we've got this paint protection in the vulnerable areas. Obviously this mileage car, it's never been out, so it's never been put to use. There we have the 6 litre V12 power plant there, ticking over quite nicely. So if you are in the market for such a car, please give us a call on 01507 606 725 or view more of the detailed photographs on our website worldsideclassics.co.uk.